Alright guys, so I just got in this new portable light and power bank stand, which works by solar panel, which is awesome. I'm really excited to use this, especially when I'm outdoors, travel, if you know what I mean. Oh, okay, that's great. So it says bypass, light, and power here on the bottom. So we have that. Also in the box we have these little carabiners and a little USB port. And then let's see what's in the rest of the box. So this will be the stand itself. Alright, so we have the stand itself, we have the solar, and we have the plug for our phone. Can't wait to try this out. Out by the pool, out by the lake, all of those different things. I'm really excited about this product. So it says here that it's direct to sunlight to mobile charging. It has an ultralight 60-watt bulb, tough and portable for outdoors. Let's see. All right, so when we open it up, we have a box here. Cord. Looks like this is the solar panel piece itself. Oh, it's nice and heavy duty feeling without being too heavy.